Hey guys, so welcome back. So I'm going to start off by taking this Sephora High Precision Eyeliner. This is in the shade Black. I really like this one because the brush on this eyeliner is like very small but flexible and at the same time really thin, which will help me get that really sharp eyeliner look. So what I start off by doing is grabbing my brush and just making a line towards the end of my eyebrow, if that makes any sense. I kind of follow my waterline on the bottom to see how far up to go. I apologize for getting out of frame, but what I did now is I took my brush again, grabbed some more product, and I started off from the middle of my eyelid and dragged it all the way out to the end to make like a triangle shape. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take more product and start off from the inner corner of my eyelash band to that second line where we did the little triangle shape. And now you see that dip that I have right there. I'm just going to go ahead and just fill it in over connecting the lines. It's kind of like collecting the dots in a way, but they're lines. So now that I did that, I obviously have my shape now. And what I'll start doing now is slowly and carefully start filling in that liner. So now I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. You could always go back in and fix any little mistakes that you did. But I'm going to just go ahead and finish this off with curling my lashes and applying some mascara. And that's what usually I'll do when I do a simple wing liner. Sometimes I will wear lashes, but in this case I'm just going to apply some mascara. So this is the final look, you guys. Ignore the mascara on my eyelid, but this is how I do my eyeliner every time I do it. And this is the eyeliner that I use. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow all my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.